apple farming as their go-to activity to raise funds to supplement cash from the government. Moi University Council Chair Professor Humphrey Kimani Njuguna, who says the institution will engage in apple farming on 1,000 acres of land, notes that institutions of higher learning have to identify alternative income generation activities to help finance their programs.
Since 2015, the 35 public universities in Kenya have been facing financial challenges due to the collapse of the parallel programs that provide 50% of the budget of institutions of higher learning. Moi University Council Chair Professor Humphrey Kimani Njuguna says he does not foresee a situation where the Exchequer can finance 100% of the financial needs of the public institutions, hence the need for universities to identify and tap alternative income-generating activities.
Moi University is pioneering apple farming. We are growing the Wabogo apple variety because our target is to grow about 1,000 acres. And 1 acre is supposed to give us about 79 million in 4 years' time on maturity.
We are also looking at the best ways to mobilize resources from willing partners, friends, and alumni of the university.
Professor Njuguna says the apple farming project has been pushed by the growing financial challenges the institution has been facing after shutting satellite campuses in Kericho, Nakuru, Kitale, and Yala. He says apart from generating income for the institution, apple farming will help address huge demands in the country.
In this workshop, we have come up with various ways that we can be able to get our university out of financial ICU, because our universities are in ICU, literally speaking. We have also agreed that we are going to revitalize our alumni association.
Moi University plans to set up a factory and engage in community empowerment activities by way of outgrowers in effort to have steady supply of the apples for value addition.
Alongside that, there will be the value chain, like a factory, setting up a factory, community empowerment and engagement by way of outgrowers, research into that variety from our agricultural school.
Moi University officials estimate that the apple farming project will earn the university about 80 million shillings per acre in 4 years' time on maturity. Reporting for Lunchtime News, my name is Hibak Said.